how to delete Hollywoodbets account permanently. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Hollywoodbets account step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end and let's get started. Hollywoodbets doesn't offer a direct option to delete your account through their website or app. To delete your account, you'll need to email their customer support. Here's the email you need. Go to your Gmail or any email service you use and click on Compose in the to field. Paste the email address hwhelpline@hollywoodbets.net. In the subject type, delete Hollywoodbets account in the body of the email. Write something like this. Hi, I would like to permanently delete my Hollywoodbets account. My registered ID number is your ID, for example XYZ or a BC. Enter in the field, and my phone number is your number. Once your message is complete, hit send. Hollywoodbets will review your request and reply via email once your account has been deleted. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.